Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how I made $2,000 with Twitter marketing, and let me refresh this so you can see this is actually not fake. Recently there was a huge trend that was Vladimir Putin interview to Tucker Carlson. More than 200 million people saw that interview on Twitter alone. Totally more than 1 billion people. So Twitter is not dead, it is very much alive. And that means you can still make money with Twitter. Why? Because most of the Twitter users are actually middle-aged people, people who have jobs, people who have money. So this is what I did. So first thing I did, I actually made a Twitter theme page and I started building following and I started building engagement. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to write an ebook. If you can write that ebook by yourself, that is by far best option. But if you cannot, then you can simply use Chat GPT. Simply go on Chat GPT and then here simply search for ebook, okay? And then press enter. And then when you scroll here you can find ebook creators. So here you can see ebook outline generator. Here you can find ebook one-click creator. When you click here, and then here you need to choose a language. I will stick with English language. And then here you simply need to enter your main keyword and Chat GPT will write that ebook for you. Or if you don't even want to do that, you can simply go here on website called Free PLR Downloads and then click here on affiliate marketing, because we are talking about affiliate marketing and making money with Twitter, and you can use any of these ebooks. So for example, I just say we should use this first one here. I just need to click here and close this ad, and after that just scroll here and then click here on this blue download button and again close this ad, and you will download this ebook to your desktop. After that you actually need to edit this ebook, because ebook by itself means nothing. You actually need to add your affiliate link in that ebook. But before that you actually need to find a good product for your Twitter theme page. Now for the purpose of this video I'm going to use ClickBank. So because we are talking about affiliate marketing, I'm going to click here on e-business and e-marketing, and here you can find products in that category that you can promote, and quite often you can find the products on second and third page that are really good that you can promote, and there is not that much competition. So for example, let's just say I wish to promote this product here, Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. Here you can see Gravity is only $7.59. It used to be much higher, but you can make initially $274 per sale. He also have a rebill which is $134, which means if you make a sale, you will continue making $134 every month as long as that person is paying monthly fee. So when I click here on affiliate page, I can check out his affiliate page. Here you can see how his affiliate page looks. Very professional, very good. It will give you lots of tools to help you to promote his product. So like I said, next thing I need to do, I actually need to edit that ebook and I need to add my affiliate link. Now for that, I'm going to use a website called Seda. So all I have to do now is just click here on upload PDF file, and I need to find ebook that I just downloaded from Free PLR Downloads. This is the ebook. Give it a second to actually upload that ebook, and it uploaded this ebook. So now I need to add my call to action. You need to add call to action to every page. So how do you do that? You simply click here on this text, okay? And then you click here, for example, something like this, and I can say something like this. And I actually need to make this to be smaller because this is too large. So I will simply click here to font size and I will choose, let's just say for example 10, and it is still too big, so I will just click here on 9, okay, and this is much better, okay. Or I can simply do something like this, okay, switch here and I can actually make this to be larger. Let's just say for example 12. Actually I will make this to be 13, 14, let's just say 15. And I added my call to action. As you can see here, join us in this free training workshop where we will be revealing how to make 10,000 a month with affiliate marketing. Now this is a free webinar, and that is why I made call to action like this. And actually I will change the color of this text to make it stand out. So I will simply click here and let's just say, for example, red. And now I need to add my affiliate link, my ClickBank affiliate link. I will simply click here on promote and click here on generate hook link. Give it a second to generate my hook link. And this is my ClickBank affiliate link. Simply copy this, go back here, and I will simply highlight this, okay? And then click here on this link, and here I will paste my ClickBank affiliate link, and then simply press enter, and that's it. I added my ClickBank affiliate link. And you need to add this call to action on every page of this ebook. That is really, really important. After you finish adding your affiliate link and call to action, all you have to do is just click here on apply changes. Click here, keep, and that's it. Give it a few seconds to actually generate this, and then click here on download and download this ebook to your desktop. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to use Twitter to start promoting this ebook that contains your affiliate link. So when you actually go back here on Twitter and when you scroll here, you will see that many of these big guys, they are actually using threads. For example, let's just check this guy here. Here you can see this guy has 86,000 followers. And when I click here, here you can see he actually uses a thread in this particular tweet. Why they are using threads? Because threads are getting lots of engagement. Look how much engagement this thread actually got. And he reached even more people with threads. That is why you need to start using Twitter threads, because you will get more engagement and you will get more reach. So how do you actually create Twitter threads, right? I'm guessing that most of you are not good at writing tweets. Well, what you can do is you can simply go back here on Chat GPT and then scroll here, and here you can simply search for Twitter and then press enter. And when you scroll here you can find Twitter thread with one click. Click here, and then here you need to give it a prompt. And I can say something like this. For example, give me 6-point Twitter thread about affiliate marketing with 6 points to be a call to action for my ebook. And then simply press enter, and now ChatGPT will write this Twitter thread for you. So now pay close attention. This is really, really important part of the video. Actually, this is most important part of the video. So what we need to do, we simply need to go here and we need to copy this first tweet, okay? Simply copy this and go back here on Twitter. So let me just go back here on home page, and I will scroll back here on top, and I will simply paste that here. But pay close attention. You do not want to click here on post. What you need to do, you need to click here on this plus, because we are creating thread. Now go back here on ChatGPT and copy this second tweet. Okay, Control C, go back here on Twitter and paste it here. And again, click here on this little plus, and now we need to go back here, copy the third, fourth, fifth, but for the purpose of this video, I will skip that and I will copy this sixth tweet, okay, Control C, and now I will paste that here. So now I actually need to give them a link where they can download my ebook. Now I prefer to host my ebooks on Google Drive, but you can host your ebooks wherever you want. And here I will give them a link to that ebook where they can download that ebook. And I will simply paste it here. Now if this link is too long, what you can do is you can simply short it with bit.ly or some other URL shortener, and you will get a shorter link. And after that, all you have to do is just click here, post all, and that's it. You will post this thread. Now guys, Twitter threads are really, really good. You will reach much more people and you can make money. Now also what you can do is you can actually give it some initial boost if you just started your Twitter page and you don't have large following. You can go on Add Me Fast and you can register for a free account and you can start earning free credits. Simply just click on one of these, for example, Twitter retweets. Then you can start retweeting other people's tweets and you will start earning free credits. And after that, you can simply click here on Add Site Link, and you can exchange those credits that you earned for free for retweets for your own tweet. And in that way, you will get that initial boost. It will start getting more and more reach, and that will help you to start getting more followers. And when you get more followers, when you get more engagement, trust me guys, you will start making money with Twitter marketing, with Twitter affiliate marketing in 2024. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.